Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look as usual on the gold market in our second research on the week. So actually on the daily chart we do not see a lot of progress on the gold market since price mostly is calling around the former tops. So as market has hit 1345 area approximately, it has dropped in a logical retracement, unexpected retracement, and has completed downside harmonic swing. So we have mentioned this moment in our daily videos. But the major question was what will happen next. So whether the market will continue upward action immediately, or it still will show us kind of compounding retracement, so maybe ABCD, some two-leg retracement down. We thought that two-leg retracement in the current situation is more probable, especially based on the price behavior. So we already have mentioned that this is the bearish reversal swing, bearish reversal candle. And usually when the market forms bearish reversal, in most cases it has some continuation. So kind of the ABCD pattern or something of that sort, or even deeper retracement. That's why I still think that market could drop further. And based on the daily picture, it's very probable, or its logical destination point is an area around 1302, 1305. Its previous tops also stand, so that's kind of the previous consolidation here. And daily confidence support and daily reversal. At the same time, guys, with this drop, it will be just the 3-8 retracement of the whole thrust up. So it's nothing really tremendous will happen here. Despite what the depth of the retracement will be, either to this level or confidence or even to the 1277, this still could be treated as a retracement. So it will not bring any hazard to validity of our long-term expectation. Only if market will erase this rally totally, this will raise some concern about the situation. But while market is calling on some classical fib levels, there's no problems. But we think that it's more probable is retracement somewhere to this level. Besides, you can see that on the whole way up, market hasn't shown any retracement, although it's upside reversal swing compared to this action. Usually, when the upside reversal swing happens, some deep retracement should happen as well. Well, but we don't have it yet. So, but that's just a suggestion on the daily chart. Let's take a look what patterns we have on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the same pattern to watch for. This is the head and shoulders potential. Head and shoulders, although we currently it's very difficult to say whether it will appear or not, whether it will be formed or not. But if market will take the shape of the hand shoulders, well, it will be mostly corresponds to the idea of the moving to the 13 even, because the kind of the ABCD pattern here could lead us right to this area. At the same time, guys, on the hourly chart, we have more clarity right now compared to what we had on the last week, because actually we have two different consolidations. So that's some kind of rectangle consolidation where market has spent some time. So resistance, breakout, support. Now it's against support. And on a Friday, market has formed our guideless 222 sell that we have discussed. So the drop is indeed has started from the point that we have talked about. And that gives the hint on the idea of, as I said, of some compounding retracement and deeper retracement. But when you are dealing with some previous consolidations that have been broken, it's very important the border of this consolidation, because market works as a cluster. So if it returns back to the previous cluster, the whole cluster becomes open to the market price. So actually market could fluctuate inside of this cluster without any significant resistance, any significant or support in our case. So no barriers will exist inside of this consolidation. That's why in the beginning of the week we will be watching for 1325 area, this upper border of the previous consolidation. If market will drop below it, it will be very probable that the lower bar of this consolidation will be reached. And that stands approximately 1308. Also, we have here a kind of the ABCD pattern. This D point XLP target 1618 stands at 1305. That also corresponds to the idea of the hinge shoulders, because guys, if market will drop below 1325, it's normal action right to the neckline that we have here. Maybe some bounce, left, right shoulder, and then dropping down. Some kind of this action could happen. So this construction doesn't contradicts to the picture that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. At the same time, guys, these levels agrees with the daily support. It's very close to them. So in general, we see a rather harmonic picture starting from the daily chart down to the hourly. So all levels mostly coincide in the same areas, and extensions confirms these levels. We just need to get some confirmation of this scenario by the breakout of the 1325 level to the downside. While market stands above this area, it's really exists chance that the upward action could be reestablished earlier, not without any deep retracement. But at the same time, guys, as we said previously, we do not call you to trade this bearish action, because you can see it rather choppy, and it demands some skill to trade it. Because for us, it's more interesting is just to get the better price taking the long position on the daily chart. It's not forbidden to trade it short, but that just involves some more difficulties. It's, the choppiness could bring undesirable emotions such as nervousness if you feel uncomfortable a bit with the trading kind of market that stands in retracement that shows the choppy action. So that's a choice up to you. So it's your trading plan, so you decide whether you would like to trade it short or not. But for the daily picture, for us, is more important to get market at the 13 even, so the major support, and then get the clear bullish reversal pattern here. That will be just perfect. So that's our trading plan for the gold market in the coming week.